In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bank deposit in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take payments you've received and record them as a single deposit that matches what actually hits your bank. This keeps your books clean and makes bank reconciliations much smoother. Start on your main screen and click the plus, New button, then choose Bank Deposit. Think of this as the place where you bundle individual payments into one deposit entry, just like you handed a stack of checks and cash to the bank in one envelope. Opening the bank deposit window sets you up to mirror that real-world transaction. Next, choose the bank account where the money is being deposited. Pick the exact account that will receive the funds, such as your operating checking. This matters because the deposit will post to this account's register and needs to align with what you'll later see on your bank statement. You'll now see a section called Select Payments Included in this Deposit. If you previously recorded customer payments, they'll appear here ready to be grouped. Check the box next to each payment you actually took to the bank. As you select them, you'll notice the deposit total update so you can see how the pieces add up. This step ensures you're not creating new income. You're simply moving already recorded payments into the bank account as one combined deposit. If the money you're depositing wasn't recorded earlier, use the Add Funds to this deposit area. Enter who the money came from in the Received From field, choose the correct account to categorize it to, and type the amount. Received From helps you keep a clean history of sources, while Account determines how this deposit impacts your financial reports. Be as accurate as possible here so your income and other totals stay meaningful. Before you save, verify that the total deposit matches the amount on your actual bank deposit slip. This is critical. Compare the on-screen total to what the bank received. If it doesn't match, double-check you selected the right payments or entered the correct amounts. Getting this right prevents headaches later when you reconcile and try to match the bank's activity to your books. When everything looks perfect, click Save and Close. Your deposit is now recorded in the bank account you chose, ready to match with the transaction that appears from your bank. That's all it takes to create a bank deposit in QuickBooks with clarity and confidence.